Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. Today we will discuss an accident in which chief engineer sent to prison for a period of 18 months. So let's come to topic. The US Department of Justice has punished a chief engineer and sent him to prison for a period of 1 year and a day, pay a fine of $5,200 and $200 special assessment and serve 6 months of supervised released. First of all, I would like to give disclaimer. This is an educational video to spread awareness among seafarers. In the last, we will discuss lesson learned from this accident. For more knowledgeable video, you can subscribe my channel. So this is more than above the 18 months period. The chief engineer has been detained since the investigation began. The chief engineer and a duty engineer dumped oily bilge water overboard while vessel was at an anchorage near South Passage of Louisiana coast. This happened after engine room flooding during repairs aimed at fixing a problem with the discharge of clean ballast water from the ship. The oily water separator was not used for this discharge and the discharge was not recorded in the oil record book. As per the US, about 37,900 liters of oil contaminated bilge water discharged from the vessel. The chief engineer was charged with obstruction of justice based on various efforts to conceal this illegal discharge and admitted that he had done the below on direction of the master, who had also directed that the bilge be dumped overboard at night. Total 6 findings noticed by USCG. First, making false statement to the USCG that concealed the cause and nature of hazardous condition. Number 2, destroying computer alarms printout for the period of illegal discharge which was sought by the USCG. Number 3, holding meeting with subordinate crew members and directing them to make false statements to USCG. Number 4, making a false oil record book that failed to disclose the illegal discharge. Number 5, directing all subordinate engine room employees to delete all evidence from their cell phones in anticipation of USCG inspection. Number 6, preparing a literary document accusing the whistleblower of poor performance as part of an effort to discredit him. The investigation is still ongoing and it is expected that Environmental Compliance Program ECP will be imposed on the technical managers of the vessel for few years. As per US Attorney General, the international pollution of US water and the deliberate cover-up are serious criminal offense that will not be tolerated, and the prosecutions such as this one should send a clear message to those that would violate the law and endanger our precious nature resources. Any such non-compliance of environmental regulation, including making forged entries in record books, is considered a criminal offense in many countries. So this is very bad for chief engineer and he will be maybe lost his job. So as a junior officer we must be aware and we should learn lesson from this accident. As per me, the following lesson has been learned from this accident. First, never involve in any illegal activity. Number 2, in case of doubt, report to company. Number 3, never make false entries in record book. Or most important, your family needs you. If you feel that any other lesson not mentioned in this, you can comment and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you so much guys.